Okay, hi traders, we're going to do an installation of Arb V2 onto an MT4 account. So the first thing to do is open your MT4 account and work out where your MT4 data folder is. So to do that, click File, click Open Data Folder, and you see here this is the path to the MT4 data folder. This is the data folder name here. This is a Windows UAC environment, so Windows has virtualized the MT4 data folder into this strange string here. So we need to copy that by right-clicking this bar up here and click Copy Address as Text. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the FX Argo Trader website. We're going to go to the license management system and you're going to log in as using your username and password. And you'll see your details coming up. And the first thing to do is to enter the MT4 account number that we want to run this system on. So go back to MT4 and just move this little window out of the way so we can see our account number in the top left hand corner is 53591 for this MT4 account. So I'm going to make sure that that's registered, and it is. MT4 account 53591 is there. If it's not registered, just add it in to here, 53591. Double check 53591. 53591, update, register, and you can now see that account number is detailed there. So click back to license management, go down to generate installer links, and just wait for a second while the installer links populate. Scroll down to Arb V2, click the installer, which will now download this package, FX Argo Trader package. Save that, and once it's saved, you can show it in this folder. There it is. Arb V2 setup, and then bracket 600. Double click the installer, run it. If you get this window coming up, file security window, click run. You'll see a UAC prompt saying, do you want to allow this program to make changes? Click yes. Click next, accept the license agreement. Now simply paste the MT4 data folder we copied earlier into this text field. Click next, click yes, click install. Forget that, cancel that if you see that warning. Click finish. And now what we have to do is we also have to install into the physical MT4 data folder. So we go back to MT4, open our data folder, go down to this folder called Origin, and we're just going to copy. You can open that up if you want. Copy the original physical file path and we go back to our installer, run it again, click yes, next, accept license agreement, clear that path now, right click, paste, that's our physical original installation folder, click next, click yes, click install, cancel that, finish, close that. Best thing to do is restart MT4 now. So restart MT4. Open a chart. Go down to your indicators folder. Select FXA STD indicator V2. Drag it onto your chart. Click common. Make sure allow DLL imports is checked. Click OK.
Product is not licensed for this MT4 account.
Okay, don't worry about that for the time being. If we see that, we just got something to check. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to check open my MT4 data folder, go to MQL4, go to files, and I'm looking for a ref file, and I want this ref file to contain my unique reference number, which in my case is 0. Save that. Change the time frame. And now we've got our indicator coming up down here. What I'm going to do now is go to my indicator list, look at the inputs, and I'm going to give the indicator some inputs. So euro, dollar, yen, underscore SB, because we're using a broker suffix here, SB, and I've just put in euro, dollar, SB. Now we're getting an STD trace. Final thing to do is to load the expert advisor, FXA stat Arb V2. And that is now loaded. We've got to also enter external input parameters, which must match the ones we put in before. And now we're set up. So that's all there is to it. If you have Java running on your machine, and what will happen when you load the indicator, let's do this. I'm just going to delete my reference file from the MQL4 files folder. So if you don't have the reference file set up and then you try and load the indicator, start with, you'll see this missing ref file.csv come up, this warning, and you'll see this license management window come up here. This is going to create our ref file for us, so you must make sure you tick this box. Check this box if you're running build 600 or higher, enter your unique reference number, which in my case is 0. Yours will be different, remember. Save those changes. Change the time frame on the chart, and there you go, you're back to where we were before. So that's created the ref file. If you don't have Java installed, you'll need to create the reference file manually, and there is a video of how to do that available in the support area on the website. So that's how you install stat Arb V2 onto a UAC enabled MT4 account. Thanks for watching.